Good morning, class. I hope that all of you will be fine and safe. In today's video, we will first discuss about the questions which I have gave you in previous video, and now I will going to answer them. First question was there that on the basis of ownership, land can be divided into how many parts? So its answer will be on the screen. You can see that was private land and community land. Then second question was there that what is private land and community land. On the screen you can see private land. I have explained you before. When a particular person, a single person purchase a land, he has the rights of working on that field or land, so that is called private land. And second was community land. Community land means people's purchase a land in groups. Okay, in a group there will be many members. When they purchase, that land will be called community land. Land use you have seen before, and planes and many more. And I have also give you some questions that factors affecting land use pattern are. What are the factors? Have you remembered what are the factors which affect the land use pattern? So first was climate. On the screen I hope you can see climate, topography, types of soil, availability of water, minerals, technology and human resources. Clear? Okay, topography, climate you have seen. Availability of water. Regarding availability of water, how the availability of water change the use pattern of land. Okay. This will be its answer, because the availability of water also change the land use pattern. Minerals you have seen. Today we are going to see a new, and I hope it will be the last heading of here, technology and human resources. Let's see. Technology and human resources. In this you will see both are the two sides of a coin. Okay, both are the two sides of a coin. So what is the meaning of two sides of a coin? Means two things that are regarded as two parts of the same things. Okay, I am going to repeat it again. Means two things that are regarded as two parts of the same things. Clear? That is called two sides of a coin. Human resources use technology to convert means change. Human use the technology to change or convert the resources. And let's see the remaining. Raw natural resources into the valuable product that fulfill the requirements of the people. Means through the technology, people change the natural resources, they convert the natural resources into a valuable product. Okay, that product that can be used according to their needs, according to their demands. Okay, through the technology they convert it. Okay, that fulfill the requirements of the people. Okay, that fulfill the needs or the requirements of the people. Okay, now we will see how human resources along with the technology are necessary for successful land use pattern. Human resources along with okay with the technology are necessary for a successful land use pattern. Through the technology, people utilize the land according to their needs for using with many purpose. Technology is very necessary. Technology play a good part okay for using the land. Clear? Now task to do two question is here on the screen. You can see first is prepare a list private and community land of your surroundings. Why are they important for us? Okay, it means that first see around you, okay, wherever your house is, home is, see around you, around your home, okay, you will see many private land and community land will be there. Why are they important for us? How much useful? It depends on our needs, on our requirements, that why they are useful. So you will have to answer for this question. And next is take a big chart and paste a world map on it. Show land use pattern of selected countries of the world on it. Paste it in your okay. So this is second assignment that you will do. First, just paste a big chart on the wall and then paste a world map and find out some selected countries and see and also show the land use pattern. Clear? Okay. Now we will talk about conservation of land resources. Why it is necessary to conserve and how it can be conserved. Okay, how it can be conserved and what is the needs of their conservation we will see. And what is conservation? Conservation means we can say care. You can write here C-A-R-E, care. Protection, we can say protection, P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-O-N, suraksha, protection. Okay, why we have need to protect the land resources? Let's see. There are some ways to conserve or protect land resources. So some ways are here, we will see on the screen. First is afforestation and proper management of grazing. Afforestation and proper management of grazing. So what is afforestation? Afforestation means we can say plantation. Okay, in Hindi we will say जंगल या फॉरेस्ट लगाने का कार्य, वन रोपण, वनीकरण, and proper management and management we can say control, rule, proper management of grazing. You know what is grazing? When animals take their food, that is called grazing. So some system will be there. Proper planting of shelter belts. Shelter belt means shelter means आश्रय, रक्षा, बचाव. Now belt, you know, it's in Hindi it's called patti या पेटी. Okay, planting of shelter belt for protection. Just plant in a proper belt. Control on overgrazing. control on overgrazing. Overgrazing, many times what happened that cattle's animals, they graze this much on the field that after their grazing there will be no grass, there will be no plants, and it will so too much long time for planting again. Okay, for growing again it will take a long time, so it is our responsibility to control on overgrazing. Next is stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. Stabilization, that word stabilization comes through stabilize, stable, okay, stable of sand dunes. What is the meaning of sand dunes? Sand dunes means we can say sand hill, SAND, sand hill, HILL, hill means रेत का टीला, रेत, sand, okay, by growing thorny bushes. By we can grow thorny bushes, and thorny bushes means, what is the meaning of thorny? Thorn. Have you remembered class? Okay. Thorny means कांटेदार, कटीली, okay, कटीली झाड़ियाँ, bushes, bush means झाड़ियाँ. Through this we can stable the sand dunes. Proper management of wasteland. See, there is a big part of wasteland that is not utilizing because of that is arid. Okay? There is no water is available, and the fertility of soil is not there. So there should be a proper management of wasteland. If people will work on that land, scientists will work on that land, it will be clear that it will also give response. Control of mining activities and proper discharge of industrial effluents can reduce land degradation. Control of of mining activities. Class, because people nowadays, what is going on, for satisfy their needs and for earning more and more money, people are, what they are doing, they are destroying the nature. So here you can see control of mining activities. First we will have to control on mining. There should be a limit of mining and proper discharge of industrial effluents. What is the meaning of discharge? Discharge, we can say बहना, okay, बहाव, रिहाई, falling, it's also FALLING, falling. Clear? Write its meaning, FALLING, falling. Clear class? Okay. And another is effluents. Effluents means upsist. Upsist यानी गंदा पानी. Okay. Industrial effluent can reduce land degradation. Degradation means falling, fall, FALL, fall. Decline word we can also use DECLINE, decline. Okay, means it destroy, we can say slowly it's destroy the fertility of land. Okay, these are the some ways through which we can protect the land resources. Clear? Now we will see a new point is there, soil resources. Soil resources. And now we will discuss on soil resources. Of all the land resources, soil is our prime resources, main resources. Prime means main resources, chief resources. Clear? Chief. Which one chief? It's not CHEAP cheap. It's chief. CHIEF chief. Yani prime, major, main. Of all the land resources, soil is our prime resources, main resources. Okay, there are lots of resources, land resources is there, but all of them you will find that land resources or soil resources is the main resources. The plants that grow on land would not exist without the thin, loose surface layer that we call soil. Means a plant cannot be survived without the layer, surface layer that we call soil. Okay, there is a layer, surface layer on the earth that is called soil, and a plant is possible only on the soil. It cannot survive without, it cannot exist without the thin, loose surface layer that we call soil. It is important to us because why it is important for us? Let's see. Plants, animals, and human life are directly or indirectly dependent on soil, especially for food. What things? Plants, animals, and human life are directly. Sometimes they directly involve, or sometimes indirectly they dependent on soil. How? How is this possible? For example के लिए some food we that comes through soil, okay, we directly eat, but some things we eat indirectly. For vegetables, if you see vegetables after cooking, we eat vegetables. In many foods, vegetables used. Many things, fruits used. Grains is there, rice is there. Okay, many food is there. So, for especially for food, plants, animals, and human life are dependent on soil. Besides food, fiber that provide us with clothing and many other products of daily life are also grown on soil. Besides foods, okay, food is okay. We have seen about the food that soil provide food, but beside this, fiber that provide us with clothing, okay, the cloth we wear, the yarn, the we can say the thread also comes through the plants, and it that soil also provide this. So only food, only soil provide only food, we cannot say. Clear? Next is component of soil. What is component of soil? Let's see. The first step in soil buildings is weathering of rock to form the one word here we have seen new regolithin. A regolithin means regolith is a layer, okay, of soil, okay, that deposit covering solid rock. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now, okay. Another word is also there. That regolithin refers to any layer of material covering solid rock, which can come in the form of dust, soil, or broken rock. Okay, it is more good than before. I hope that you have understand this word. Okay, accumulation of rock debris above the bedrock. Accumulation means collection. Collection, clear. And another word is debris. Debris means garbage. Garbage, garbage यानी कचड़ा, कूड़ा करकट, कचड़ा. Clear? Means the first step in soil building is weathering. First is weathering of rock, and another is, we can say, regolithian. Clear? Okay, weathering means decay. DECAY, decay means हवा पानी के कारण नष्ट हो जाना. Clear? Okay. Regolithian accumulation means collection of rock garbage above the bedrock. Okay, they collect the rock garbage and make a layer of soil start forming. Once living organisms such as mosses and lichens become active in this layer, organisms means, yes, creatures, CREATURE, creatures means jeeb. Okay. One word is mosses. Mosses means dirt. DIRT, dirt. It's also called. Okay, Mars, MARSH is also called. Mars means kai. In Hindi it's called kai. Clear? And another word is lichen. Lichen is also a part of mosses. Okay, when they become active, when they start working, they combine with the minerals matter in the rock debris to form soil. Okay, they combine means mix up with the debris. Which debris? Rock debris. That garbage, rock garbage, they mix up with that matter and start forming soil. What they did? They start forming soil. Okay, soils are therefore composed of minerals and organic substance. Soils are therefore composed. That is the reason behind soil, that soil is composed. Okay, composed and, yes, of minerals, composed of minerals and organic substance. Clear? Yes. On the screen you can see world map is here, and here you can see major soil types they have shown with different color. Clear? Yes. Now we have completed till here, and the remaining soil profile and the remaining things we will discuss in next video. Okay, so I'm going to give you some question. On the screen you can see the question. First question is there: how the technology and human resource affect land use pattern? Okay, today I have explained it first. This is some tips, we can say some hints is this. Second is, how can land resource be conserved? How? You will have to write some step at how the land resources can be conserved. Third is, why the soil resource is important. What is the reason of the importance of soil resources? Clear? This will be third. And fourth is, how the soil form. Class, these questions are given to you so you will understand the chapter which has been explained, and it will be very useful for you. Clear? Class, do your work. Whatever work has been given, complete your work, write down your question answers, learn all the things, okay, what have been given for learning. Just learn all things, either they are exercise, keywords, question answers. Clear? And complete your work. Okay, thank you. And if you have any doubt, just ask me in comment box, in WhatsApp channel, in WhatsApp group, and go and subscribe the YouTube channel, school channel, so you will get the video easily. Okay, thank you.